Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Eerie Night Kit. It is by designsbyreminisce.com and you can find this on Amazon. I originally got this because I wanted to create an eerie scene for my Happy Harvest Haunting card. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you click the card to see that I will be having a tutorial released hopefully soon. This freakishly beautiful paper kit has 8 12 by 12 papers, 2 sheets per design. So on one side you get one design and on the back side you get another design. And it also comes with a coordinating sticker sheet. I thought it was really beautiful. The paper is very lightweight. So what I found was I would go ahead and use some Barely Arts glue, very minimal because you don't want the paper to wrinkle, and apply that on regular white cardstock. And that way your mat has some kind of substance before, taping it onto your card. I really love the backgrounds. These are real big full sheets. So I think the way that this designer created these with the intentions of the stickers to go on top of them so you can frame the whole entire thing. But I found that I could take segments of the paper just by using my frame to kind of figure out which part of the scene that I wanted to extract. Here are the designs on the back side of those papers I showed you earlier. Very eerie. Here's the scene that I used for my card. I was very surprised at this forest view of the moon, how well it looked. Again, I want to emphasize the paper weight is 65 pounds or less. It is extremely thin. I would love to know which scene you absolutely love and what kind of ideas do you have in making cards. As soon as I found out that I was going to get the Scarecrow die set from Spellbinders, I just kept on thinking, how can I make a very eerie scene? This Scarecrow set is most used as a happy Thanksgiving kind of scene, but I really wanted to take a spin on it. Don't you love it when your visions become a reality? Oh, I certainly do. Hey, listen, if you want to see that card tutorial, make sure you click on the card link or subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified when it is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to get your hands on this paper kit, in the description I will have the links below.